Hey there, it's Sarah with Audio Video Charlotte. We're here today to show you one of our fun basement home theater projects. Barry Clark, our installation expert, is going to walk you through the project. But first, this basement home theater project included a new projector screen, equipment rack that's located in a closet, the installation of in-ceiling speakers, and we built a platform for the movie theater chairs.
It's been a very cool 3-day project. We've got some artwork up, projector mounted, all the molding done, some pictures, speakers are all set, and the equipment's all done. The basement is completely empty. We're just waiting on the carpet to go in, and this puppy will be finished.
Next, Barry does one quick test with the projector screen to make sure that everything is working properly. Here you can see the carpet has been installed and the riser is starting to take shape. The platform riser is now stained and carpet was applied to the top of it so that it will blend in seamlessly with the carpet on the floor. Here is a back view of the chairs on the riser, and here's the front view of the chairs on the riser. Next, Barry's going to walk you through the end result.
Our riser is 58 inches wide and 104 inches long, and it's 12 inches tall. So we have a nice 12-inch step. We have 6 2x12s creating structure underneath to support the weight of people sitting on the chairs and walking and stepping on and off the riser. And after we were done, we took the carpet for the theatre, covered the top of the riser, and then took some mahogany stain, which is mahogany 225, which has this wonderful ability to pull out all the wood grain. It's just, it's really hard to see, but it really turned out well. This is a very good look. Oh, we're just catching our screen going up. That's what we call a happy accident at the end of the system shutting down. Once the projector's turned off and all the equipment is shut down, the screen retracts automatically. So we have our Apple TV interface now, and one of the other things that we have in this theatre is remote controlled lighting, so we can hit a button on the remote and the lights dim out over a 3-second, making this obviously a much more movie-like experience.
At Audio Video Charlotte, we have years of experience to help you decide on all of the components for your home theater. A home theater can be a great asset to your home, and we can transform any space into the perfect setting for your viewing experience. To find out more information, visit our website at audiovideocharlotte.com. Please follow us on social media, and as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.